So as by popular demand by a few people, I've started up a YouTube channel, and for my first project I'm going to be teaching you how to make this 8-inch Gyuto, which is a Japanese chef's knife. I'll apologise in advance for the awkwardness of the first few episodes, but I was just trying to get used to what I was doing, and I promise it does get better.
Start off making the handle. And now I'm just going to hit this with electric flame to get rid of the paint. Now, using this edge, this edge is nice. I'm using this edge as a reference. I'm going to make some cuts going at 45. There we just marked it. There at 45, 14 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 3.5 centimeters. So I'm going to start off using the hacksaw. Just cut down that line to start with. And these lines, I think I'm going to do with the saw boxing, the miter boxes, just get even. Put it back this way, up and down, and try to cut that line again. Or I could hit it with the electric flame. But I'm not sure about my accuracy with that. So, I'll give it a shot because there is quite a bit of material there. So it doesn't seem to be working with the swap. I have to try to keep it as square as possible. We'll give that a shot.
So I've just swapped my phone camera to show you what exactly I've been doing. But to make the cut, I use this little miter box. put it in at the angle you want, and it goes and cuts with the handsaw. So, cut these up at 45, cut a square of acrylic in half with the scroll saw. Question is, how do I glue this up? Here is the solution to the sliding problem. Just a bit of MDF. That's not ideal. Anyway, a couple bits of pine holding this together, so that when you push the two ends, so get this. Okay, well, when that was there, it worked. Stopped from sliding. So I'm gonna fix that up, and then glue it up, and be back tomorrow with a normal camera. So here's a dry clamp up test. As you can see, puts it all together. There is a gap in there, but that should hopefully be filled in when we finish it. Clamp it, nothing goes anywhere. So that should be good. Now that glue up was very, very far from ideal. Pieces are sliding everywhere. They're not quite lined up. I don't actually think they're not even flat. That is not good at all. Change of plans. I've taken the clamp off, lined it up, and flattened it up a bit more. I'm just gonna have to leave it loose, and hopefully it glues up without a big massive gap in it. But guess we'll just find out tomorrow if we wasted a whole afternoon and night's work. It's been a few hours now, but I mean, sometimes it's just how it is. About 24 hours since I started. Cleaned up all the mess from yesterday. This is how the handle's currently looking after being glued up. You can see in this one, a few gaps, looks like it's even torn out a bit, but clean it all up, cut all this excess off, and then hit it on the belt sander, and we'll see what we're working with. Gonna even up all the faces on this. It's nice and flat, so be careful not to burn the epoxy or it'll leave an ugly black line. So that's all nice and flat now. You can see these are a little bit crooked, but that's just because of how it was beveled. Not bevel grounded. Now we use the miter box. That should be good. Video goes live in just under 2 hours. So I just want to have a quick chat at the end of this episode about what to expect from this channel. Now, I didn't plan on doing episode based things to start with, but this thing did end up being about 5 or 6 episodes long, so I haven't quite finished editing. So this is going to be like one giant video for this particular knife, but for later projects, if I know that's going to take longer and I'm going to need episodes, I will go for like an episode based structure when I'm recording, just so that it's better to watch. On that note, as you would have seen from this video, it really wasn't that great. I was still learning things, but the difference between the first episode and the fifth or sixth episode even is quite large. It does get better, and I can only go up from here. I've already got plans on how I can make the video itself better, as well as my projects. This isn't just going to be a knife and weapon making channel. I will also be doing other things such as restorations and woodwork projects.
That's just because I have a wide range of interests, and not everyone is into the same thing. So, have different things for different people to watch, that sort of thing. The next project is either going to be a restoration or a weapons based build, and then whichever one doesn't happen, we'll follow that up with a garden feature thing following those two. So like I said, wide range of variety, lots of things to see from this channel. I hope that as it grows, then the amount of people watching this will grow with it, and that you enjoy watching as much as I enjoy making it. So videos coming out 7 p.m. Tuesday, Australian Western Standard Time. Don't know where that is for all the viewers. I know that some people have got on Instagram and all that already, in other countries and all that. So sorry if that's an inconvenient time for you, but that's just what works best for me. So I'll see you all same time next week.